Yes guys, SSS or Social Security System, Quezon City main office, located here in East Avenue. Yes guys, this is an enclosed open space in between buildings. I would say mini market dahil they have vegetables, eggs, ayan no, mayroong sitaw, may talong, at marami pang iba. They are selling foods for lunch and merienda. SSS main office, Quezon City guys. Napakalaki ng naging changes dahil puro online na ngayon guys. Computerized na, kaya yung mga senior medyo hirap maka-cope up. Napakaluwag nitong SSS main office and I love the architecture. Pati yung flooring, kintab, ang linis. I love you baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you baby to warm the lonely night. Yung highway sa labas. A viable social security institution providing universal and equitable social protection through world-class services. Okay, mission social justice through saving and providing for protection and exemplary service to members and their families. Corporate values, trust, employment, and teamwork. Wow. Really? This one? Quality policy. SSS Social Security System, yeah, Philippines. Yeah guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye.